Welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 to make the best game ever. Good. This session I would like to wrap up. Well, I would like to wrap up the NetPacket refactor, but maybe testing will reveal that it's a bunch of garbage. Okay, but I think we can merge these now. So we have fixed logic, proof handling, proof validation. Yeah. Should we add the stability keyword here? Milestone. Stability fixes. Yeah. Actually, it's not a stability thing, right? Or is it? No, it's for cheating, anti-cheating. It's not stability. Let's put it into major bug fixes instead. So proof validation, proof handling. Proof handling. Proof validation. This one is simplify. Wow. Yeah, no, it's also. Prevent mishandling. Proof. Improve. Yeah, improve handling of. Okay, improve validation. Handling, validation. Okay, then let's merge it. Validation. Okay. Okay. Everything is merged. Very well. Some comments cause a spin. I agree that this code looks very deliberate by EA, and maybe he did say he already checked. It's not clear what the issue may cause. I've played several skirmish matches. I've not encountered any regressions. By the original author. It is possible that it can be removed, but maybe there's this very specific reason for it. I suggest give it to Goldfish 2 for testing. Alongside a for testing. With comments and placement and multiple locations. Good. Let's get back to our code here. So this one did compile. Let's put it in debug. Compile again. Let's take a look at this one. Partial production, no refunds. Yeah. So a building is destroyed. So just let the pending half constructed thing die along with the building. The partial, the pending production die along with the building, alongside the building. Do we have other opinions? Yeah, in this case, I would just keep the code as simple as possible. Let the pending production die. If the building dies, it was paid for, the money is gone, half production is gone. I don't know, it seems okay. Seems okay to me. Yeah. Yeah. It reduces edge cases and keeps the code simple. Yeah, and I don't think it will ever have any effect, it will never play a role in the actual game, I think. Yeah, it's probably fine. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good. So we have this one compiled. Let's install it. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then we need 2 games essentially. Generals, English. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So I bet it will not work. I think there even is a chance for crash. Yeah, there's a chance for crash. I say the game crashes. Yeah. Because probably some stupid mistake somewhere. That's probably easy to fix. Yeah. Let's see. China GLA. Okay, accept. Play game. There we go. Disconnect. Okay, this guy is hanging. He didn't crash, but he's hanging. Debug, attach. Instance 2. Instance 2. Let's see what it is. Okay, that's not a good sign. Dump index. Okay, ref is null. Well, that's not good. Packet length 40, 31. 31. It's not advanced. Okay, it's literally hanging. Aha. Oh, that's not good. Okay, let's see why this is hanging. So read bytes goes in here. Buffer len size. Oof. Size 0. Okay, buffer len 9. Okay, switch. Aha. 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 Well, that's not good. Aha. Well, that's bad. I see. Okay, so it's already bad that that it gets down here. Yeah. Repeat. Size. Yeah. So I think here we need to return size +1. I don't know if that will fix the issue, but okay, but it shouldn't really enter here, right? So it's already bad. Let's put a breakpoint in here. Yeah. Let's also put a breakpoint here. It shouldn't enter these ever. Yeah, okay. Then let's kill these processes here. Okay, that's not a good start, I would say. So we need to attach to both. Debug, attach. Okay, generals, there we go. Create game. Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay, so what is it? Buffer? It's a 0. What is the command type? Command type is 4, which I think is game command, right? Size is 0. Huh. Base buffer. Buffer length. So the buffer starts with a 0. Huh. 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 33. 33. So what was the last command? Logic CSC. Okay, my suspicion is that that we have a packet that is not correctly read. Yeah. Yeah. So that would be a bit. So the last command was a logic CSC message. Logic CSC. What does this refer to? Type message. It's a game command. Logic CSC. Yeah, okay. And relay 0. So it's a game command. Okay. Then let's take a look at game commands. Game commands here. Yeah. Message. Okay. Here. Get size. Okay. Aha. Okay, that's possible that we made an error in here. Yeah. In the game command. Let's see. Yeah. Ah, here it is. Look. Stupid mistake here. Yeah, there we go. That might be it. That might be it, yeah. Okay, cool. I have good hopes that this fixed the problem. Oh boy. That's every player's nightmare screen. How do we exit here? Looks like we need to kill it with Task Manager. Okay. Let's see if we missed any other. Yeah. Okay, the rest looks okay. Okay. Oh no, we should add a bit of spacing here. It's a bit big block of code. Maybe we should have a bit of space here to make it easier to look at. This one. Okay. Okay. Then let's test that. Okay. Then let's try again. Now I have more hopes that this may work. Didn't center for some reason. Still did not center. Okay, strange. Okay, let's see. That looks more promising. Oh. Oh. Ah. Well, that's well, that's not good. Okay. There are technical difficulties here. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay, but at least it's doing something. But it's awfully slow. Huh. Okay. Okay, what could be the cause of that? Whew. Let's see what packets it's handling now. Last command was null. Okay. Frame info. Frame info. It sends a lot of frame infos. Give command. Logic tick. So I suspect this is some systemic issue now, something like with the relay, for example. Yeah. So I suspect that the messages are okay in principle, but something is wrong with the way it's sending these. Yeah. So my suspicion is that it has something to do with the relay. Even though I don't really know what it does, but it looks like it could be related. Oh, now it's actually settled. It's extremely laggy. Yeah. Okay, but it works in principle, but it's very slow. Oh. Eventually, let's ship it. Perfect experience. Okay, what is the problem? I suspect it has something to do with this relay, which down here it was frame info, read frame message. You know, what also could be that maybe one of these messages here is doing something very specific that we have not replicated. That could also be, right? Let me look through these messages here. So here we have nothing suspicious. This one looks innocent. Yeah. Get average latency. It's interesting that it sends it as a float here. Yeah. Run ahead metrics. Average latency. So that's a float, yeah? Yeah. And then there's a short. Yeah, 30. Average latency. Average FPS. Disconnect frame. Disconnect chat message. Wrapper message. File progress. Frame to resend. Yeah, okay. I don't see anything suspicious here in these reads functions. It looks pretty innocent. Yeah, okay. Right now I don't know what the reason may be. I suspect it has something to do here with this relay, but I'm also not sure about that. Base relay. Okay, there's something we didn't quite correctly replicate. Yeah. Let's put a breakpoint here. Relay is 2. I guess that's good. Hmm. What the hell is this here? What is this here? And my gosh. I think this already is an abomination. This is perfect. This is perfect. This sucks. This sucks even more. This is also shitty. What the hell is this bullshit here? This sucks. This sucks. This is the only one here that is good. Yeah. Mhm. 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 Okay. Yeah, so this is looking really bad here. Um, the question is, what is responsible for this? Right now, I have no clue. Hmm. 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 I thought that we replicated everything pretty well. Hmm. Okay, it's a worst case scenario where it's just hanging and it's unclear why that is. Hmm. Hmm. Is repeat, if not is repeat, do that. Hmm. 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 Maybe we should do it like this here. Command type. Yeah. Maybe we should do here. Put this. Hmm. Hmm. To really make sure it's exactly the same as before. Hmm. Hmm. Command type. Message. Ah. Aha. Okay, I think we have a situation here. Don't we? Aha. I think we are missing this. So this needs to take command base frame. It's a bit stupid yet. Command ID, command ID. Okay. We should shorten this yet. It's pretty awful. Okay. Yeah, maybe that's fine. Set ID. Set relays down here. Yeah. Last command, detach message. NetPacket. Message. Yeah. I think that makes sense. Yeah. This certainly could have been cause of error. Yeah. Okay. Bytes. I wonder if this function does a bit too much things. Maybe this should be moved outside of this function. Yeah. So that this function only does read bytes. Yeah. Go to done. Maybe we should here do size +1, and then we also do go to done here. Ah, no. Yeah. Size. Yeah, so maybe we should take this guy and move it to the other function here. Here. Then we do size. Mm-hmm. 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 Maybe we should move this function to NetPacket as well. Mm-hmm. But how do we know now that this guy succeeded? We don't. We don't know if we return here, then we don't know that this guy has succeeded. Yeah. No, it's a bit unfortunate. Yeah. So generally I would say we could do a return size here, and then a return size here. But then now the problem is we don't know that this guy has failed. How do we know if this guy has failed or not? We'd have to data. Yeah. I don't know. There must be some way. Ref. Let's do size 0. Size plus equal. Okay. Yeah, it would be great if we could somehow tell from this function interface already that this has failed or succeeded, but I don't know how we would do that. Before we were able to do that because of this here. Mm. Maybe command base. Maybe we can do a struct command. Command reads. Do a command read, and then in there will be the base. And then there will also be a bool okay. Yeah. Then we do bool okay. Maybe say command okay. Then we give a command read. Okay. The reads. Read base. Oh boy. Then here we do red dot command okay equals true. And then here up here we do command okay false. Then here we have command reads. Read dot base. Maybe we can do so here if then we say if not red dot command okay, then return size. Mhm. Then let's do here a command base equals base dot arrays dot base. Then here we can now remove this ref get command message. Then let's put the detach down here. Okay, I think we can do it like that. Okay, so I like that because now this logic is no longer in this function here of read bytes, because it was never supposed to be in there. Yeah. And then we can probably move this function here elsewhere as well. Yeah. Into NetPacket. Let's leave it here for now. Okay, so this looks promising. Yeah. I suspect we will have compile errors here. Here. Command reads. Okay. Command OK, false. I would say we initialize it here. It's probably a bit more robust. Yeah. Command OK, false. Then reads ref. Then we can also do in here. Yeah, so this one should now be just a ref. Read bytes. Do we actually need to pass a ref at all? Copy bytes. Yeah. Well. Yeah. Doesn't perfectly mirror this one here because this one is actually reading the things. This one is not. I kind of like the way we had it before better. Yeah. Let me revert this shit here. Well, it's still a bit fishy here with the go to done. Maybe we can put this into a separate function. So we have read bytes and then So we have that, and then set a private function here, static construct message. So can I make a net command message? Construct message. And we just give it a command base. That's it. Const command base. So I put that in here. And then take this here. There's a return size. Do I return null PTR? Construct message. There we go. Okay. Then we take out this guy here. And then do... Then here we do... Data field this, okay. Then here we will have a return size. And then we do this here. Put that here. Then here we do message. We do net command message. Message. Message equals construct message. And then base. Message. Set relay. Construct message. Maybe. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Okay. Okay, then we delete all of this here. Here return size as well. Okay, great. Default. Yeah, okay. I think that works, yeah. How about we call this construct net command message. Okay. And then we compile this and hopefully that will work. Oh boy. Hello? Oh! Why is it moving all the time? Oh. I can't click a thing here. My gosh. Okay, we have compile errors because the game is not writable. And other things. Right, so base. Command base. We should keep calling it command base. Okay. So, let's see. Oops. Okay, that looks more promising. Very good. Very, very good. Okay, cool. Yeah, that looks promising. Oh boy. That was quite some refactor. So, who will win the fight? Chile army or China army? Let's go for a fight. I think China's in a good position here with his army. But the Chile is also pretty solid. Yeah. Let's see. The Gatling tanks are rushing ahead. Oh, there's a big fight going. Oh, Oh, China's in a very bad position here. It's queuing up. Scorpion rockets do a good job, but tanks are pretty strong. Yeah. Maybe we can micromanage a bit here. Yeah. Maybe not. It looks very good here for the GLA guy, because the China guy is not fighting here. Can he at least take down the quad? No. Oh boy. Heavy losses. Uh-oh. We need some overlords to level the playing field. No, they're stuck in the war factory. I can't get out. Oh, slowly. I press X. Ah, coming out there. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, slowly driving to the opposition. Yeah. See if we can crush them. Oh, I take the pretty damage here. Yeah. Oof. Damn. So weak. Damn. What is going on here with overlords? Why are they so weak? Okay, there they go. In numbers they win. The overlords. Okay, they lost 4 overlords here against some lousy GLA units. Okay, but we can conclude that the game runs now. Yeah, in principle. Okay, that's very good news. Yeah, I would say. Yeah. Okay, cool. Well, I don't know why. What? Construct that command message. Oh. Now we have the same. Okay. Yeah, that's a bit stupid. I forgot to remove this code here. So essentially we remove this here again. Read bytes. Yeah, should we message? I wonder if we should put this here into NetPacket. Yeah. Maybe we should create a new one. Struct small net packets commands. Can we do that? Or do we have a duplicate of that? No, it's the only one. So this is command base. Base command. Template. Yeah, maybe we should move this to NetPacket. This function. So static. But it won't know what that means, yeah. Yeah. Net command message. I don't know where to put this function here because it's it calls this virtual function, so it doesn't really belong into this file to begin with. It belongs more into this file. Maybe we can just put it here at the top. Just do static. Like this. Yeah. Yeah, maybe just put it here. Yeah. Then we will remove this here. And this. Okay. 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 Then I think that's fine. Ref construct size. Can also put this one here, but then we need to put that here. return message we forgot here. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, I think that's fine. Yeah. Mm-hmm. How about we call this function construct net commands ref. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And then here on bytes, read bytes. Maybe this one should be called differently because it's not just reading bytes. Read bytes. Maybe copy bytes. Read. Mm-hmm. Maybe we should call it read message. Mm-hmm. Because we are actually constructing a message. So read bytes is a bit misleading, I would say. Read message. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's do the same for the other guys here. Read message. Mm-hmm. Okay. Can we do the same here? Command data. Read message. Mm-hmm. 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 This one can be read bytes. Yeah. Okay. Then this one will be read message. Let's do here read message for data. Read data message. Message data. Okay. Read message, read message data. Okay. I think that's okay. Okay, fantastic. Then I would like to create a branch. Work in progress. NetPacket. NetPacket. NetPacket refactor. NetPacket reads. Yeah. Then we can. Let's make a refactor. NetPacket. Simplify. NetPacket reads. Okay, great. Then that will be it for this session. Then next session I will clean up the code, and then we test it one more time. And then we can create a pull request, and then we can have some other people test this in actual multiplayer game. It's file transfer and so on. Yeah. Okay, but it looks very promising. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. That packet got much shorter already. It's great. All right, cool. Then I will. Good. Then I will end it here. I wish you a great day or night until next time. Goodbye.